Welcome to Feel the Power of Power BI video series. Today we are going to cover relationships. We are not talking about database relationship, but rather uh, Power BI object relationships. As a business user or end user, you probably connect to Power BI apps. So we are going to cover all the way from Power BI apps to source data and how everything is connected and related. So let's jump right into it. So as a business user, you're a business user, you go to powerbi.com and you see Power BI apps. You only see apps that you have access to. Those apps are basically created on top of or compiled on top of Power BI workspaces. So the relationship between Power BI apps and Power BI workspace is one-to-one. Right now, there is no option to create multiple apps on top of single workspace, but we would definitely like to see that. So one end user can access multiple apps. One app has relationship with workspace is one-to-one. Now, within the workspace, we have reports, dashboards, data sets, so on and so forth. But the relationship between Power BI workspace and reports and dashboards are one-to-many. So in one workspace, we can have many reports, many dashboards. Now, the relationship between dashboard and report is also one-to-many. So we can create a dashboard which is accessing multiple reports or visuals from multiple reports. So the relationship is one-to-many. The relationship between Power BI report and the data set is one-to-one. We create, or the reports that you see is accessing a single data set. And all those objects, apps, workspaces, reports, dashboards, and data sets, all of those things are in Microsoft services, or as you know it, powerbi.com. Now, before we publish anything, we develop report using desktop tool, Power BI desktop, which is free. You can download it from powerbi.com. And when we are creating that reports, we are accessing source systems. So the relationship between a data set and a source is one-to-many. We can bring in data from flat files, relational database such as SQL, Oracle, you pretty much name it, apps, weblogs. If you have developed any report, you know when you go to get data, you have so many options, Salesforce, you name it pretty much. There is no way we can cover that in this video. But just to summarize relationships here, one business user can access many apps as long as they have access to. One app is created on top of single workspace. One workspace has many reports and dashboard. Each dashboard can access one or many objects from different reports. One Power BI report accesses single data set. One data set at the desktop level can access from multiple source system. Hopefully you liked the video. If the contents were helpful, please do not forget to click on the like button. Thank you. Until next time, have a good day.